So I want us to pick up the discussion where we left off. First of all, this is the second time we're recording this because we lost the audio. No, we had bad audio. But at least today we're back. Yeah, watu wamekuulizia bana. Watu wako like ofisi wamekuulizia, wameichia lawyer random. Uzuri uende huko. Watu wako kata.
Mimi ndo niko. Yeah. Continue.
So the discussion was about intellectual property in Kenya. And this is coming from a point where while doing DIRA and everything, I started learning about it. And then I consulted you and we figured, there's a lot to it. Yeah. And especially trademarks, copyrights, utility models, patents, vitu zingine, which I had. Now, I've been talking about this on the channel, on my social media. Ungedhani mimi ni lawyer. So today I just thought, let me bring an expert in these things. So let's start.
Okay.
What is intellectual property?
Well, it's actually in the name.
Uh-huh.
So it's property, something to be owned,
intangible.
but it is intangible.
Okay.
And most of the time, it's not just intangibility like air. It's something that has happened.
Okay.
Intellectual. Yeah.
Why is it important?
So you see, it's because it is something from an intellectual place. Then it's yours. If you own something, then it means you have rights over it. If you have rights over something, then it means someone else has been secluded from it. So then we have to talk about whether you can share those rights, like licensing, all those things, or how you can prevent any other person from using it for the sake of being the only person who has such a thing. So it's important for businesses to now give themselves an edge like that, in that way, or to make money out of it.
Businesses and individuals.
Yes.
All right. So in Kenya, I've seen that it's intellectual property is under the Kenya Industrial Properties Act. First of all, it's for near 201. So is it updated annually? Because things have changed from 201. How does that work?
Well, yeah, but okay. First, the Industrial Property Act is for patents and utility models. Copyright has its own act. Trademarks has its own act. It is a 201, yes. The thing about revising laws is not, it's not usually done like yearly or anything. It